Hello students, today we are starting with the question number 5 of exercise 2b. Question number 5 is find the difference between 3 by 5 of 30 kilometers and 2 by 3 of 30 kilometers. So firstly we will find the 3 by 5 of 30 kilometers. And on the another hand we will find 2 by 3 of 30 kilometers. Okay, this denominator and this numerator both are divisible by 5, so cut them. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So now it becomes 6 3s are 18 kilometers. Denominator is 1, so you can avoid that because 18 upon 1 is equals to 18. That's why I have written here 18 kilometers. Now on the another hand, this 3 and this 30 is also divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30. Now it becomes 2 10s are 20 kilometers. Okay, they were asking for the difference. Difference means you will subtract these two numbers. So now subtract them. Difference is equals to 20 kilometers minus 18 kilometers, which is equals to 2 kilometers, and this is your answer. Very simple. Firstly you have calculated this part, then this part, then you have found the difference. Clear? Next question, write down the reciprocal of the following. Okay, they are asking for the reciprocal. What is reciprocal? As I explained you in the fundamentals, that reciprocal is the fraction in which numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. For example, this is a fraction. When we will write its reciprocal will be this denominator will become numerator and this numerator will become denominator. So 3 upon 5 का reciprocal क्या होगा? 5 upon 3. Similarly, reciprocal of 1 upon 3 will be 3 upon 1, or 3 upon 1 can be written as 3. Simple. Next is 5. Now you can get confused that ma'am you said denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator, but in this third part denominator is not given. How we can find the reciprocal? Okay, but no need to get confused. This 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. Now you can easily find its reciprocal. Its reciprocal will be denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. Okay. Similarly in this part, this fraction is given in mixed fraction. So firstly you will write it in the form of improper fraction. Improper fraction में कैसे लिखते हैं? 9 6 are 54 plus 1 55 upon 9. Now its reciprocal will be 9 upon 55. So this is your answer. Next question is divide, and its first part is divide 20 by 1 upon 5. Students, when you perform divide operation in fraction, always remember one thing. When you perform divide operation in fractions, always remember one thing, that while dividing, this division sign become the sign of multiplication and we write its reciprocal. See how do we do this? First number will remain same. This division sign will be replaced by multiplication, and then second number, the number with which we are dividing, we will write the reciprocal of that number. Okay, reciprocal of 1 upon 5 will be 5 upon 1, or you can simply write 5. Now 20 multiply 5 is 100 upon 1, or 100 upon 1 is equals to 100. So this is your answer. Similarly the second part, 8 is divided by, this is given in mixed fraction, so first step is to change it into the improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. Now second step is write the first number, replace the division sign by the multiplication and write the reciprocal of the next number. This is 3 upon 7. Numerator and denominators are not divisible by any same number, so multiply the numerator. 8 3s are 24 upon 7. Students, you can also write it into the mixed fraction. How? 7 3s are 21 3. So this can be written as 7, denominator will remain same, this will become whole number and this will become the numerator. So your answer is 3 whole 3 upon 7. Now let's do this fourth part. Fourth are in mixed fraction. So first step is to change them into the improper fraction. 8 3s are 24 plus 2, 26 upon 3. Divided by 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 7 is 52. Now upon 9. First number will remain same. Division sign will be replaced by multiplication. Next fraction, we will write its reciprocal now. Okay. Reciprocal of 52 upon 9 is 9 upon 52. Now check the numerator and denominator. Are they divisible by any same number? Yes. This 3 and this 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Similarly, this 26 and this 52. 26 1s are 26, 26 2s are 52. So what you are getting now? You are getting 3 upon 2. Numerator is greater than denominator. So you can change it into the mixed fraction. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. So denominator will remain same. This quotient will become the whole number and this remainder will become the numerator. So your answer is 1 whole 1 upon 2. Now the question number 8 is find its value. Okay. So right here in first step you will change the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Okay. So 5 upon 8 is already in improper fraction. Change it into the improper. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2 divided by 15 upon 16. According to BODMAS, अगर आप BODMAS को चेक करते हैं, ब्रैकेट ऑफ डिवीजन देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, पहले क्या सॉल्व करेंगे? डिवीजन सॉल्व करेंगे. सो फर्स्टली वी विल सॉल्व दिस स्टेप. ओके. सो 5 upon 8 will remain same. Multiply 3 upon 2. Replace the sign of division by multiplication and then write its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 15 upon 16 is 16 upon 15. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Now check whether the numerator or denominator are divisible by any same number. Yes, this 5 and this 15 both are divisible by 5. So cut them. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. This 8 and this 16 both are divisible by 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This 2 and this 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now this 3 and this 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So what you are getting now in numerator, you are getting 1 multiply 1 which is 1, and denominator is also 1 multiply 1 which is 1, and this is equals to 1 upon 1 is 1. This is your answer. Now let's do this third part. Firstly, change the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 24 1s are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 24. Multiply 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4. Divided by 14 1s are 14 plus 1, 15 upon 14. Now the next step, according to BODMAS, firstly you will solve this division. Okay. So write 25 upon 24 as it is. Multiply 9 upon 4. Replace the division sign by the multiplication and then write its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 15 upon 14 is 14 upon 15. This numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 5. So cut them. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Okay. This 24 and this 9 both are divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9. So 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now this 3 and this 3 are also divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now in numerator you have 5 multiply 1 multiply 7, which is 35. In denominator you have 8 2s are 16, 16 1s are 16. And this numerator is greater than denominator, so you can write it in the form of mixed fraction. 16 2s are 32, remainder is 3. So this can be written as 16 will remain same, this quotient will be written as whole number, and this remainder will be written as numerator. So your answer is 2 whole 3 upon 16. Now let's do the next part. This part, first step is to change mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So change it. 8 1s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 8 divided by 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4 multiply 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2. According to BODMAS, first step to solve these two fractions. Write the first fraction as it is 9 upon 8. Replace the division sign by the multiplication and write its reciprocal. Its reciprocal will be 4 upon 9. Okay. Multiply 9 upon 2. Check the numerator and denominator. Are they divisible by any same number? Yes, this 9 and this 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 1s are 9. Okay. This 4 and this 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Now in numerator you have 9 1s are 9 upon 2 2s are 4. This can be written in the form of mixed fraction. So change it. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 1. Denominator will remain same, which was 4. This quotient will be written as whole number and this remainder will be written as numerator. So your answer is 2 whole 1 upon 4. Students, in your book this fraction is 4 whole 1 upon 3. So you will do that according to that fraction. Okay, I have done according to 4 whole 1 upon 2. Now let's start question number 9. First part is 2 upon 3 of 3 upon 4 plus 4 upon 5. As I said, according to BODMAS, firstly we will calculate off. Okay. So calculate these two fractions. This 3 and this 3 both are divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now it becomes in numerator 1 1s are 1 upon denominator is 2 plus 4 upon 5. Now you will add these two fractions. For adding these two fractions, denominator should be same. But if denominator are not same, you can take the LCM of these denominators, which will be 10. To make this 2 10, you will multiply it by 5. So multiply the numerator also by 5. Plus 5 2s are 10. So multiply this numerator also by 2. It becomes 5 1s are 5 plus 4 2s are 8 upon 10, which is 5 plus 8 is 13 upon 10. And in mixed fraction this can be written as, let's divide by 10. 10 1s are 10, remainder is 3. So denominator will remain same, which is 10. This quotient will be written as whole number and this remainder will be written as numerator. So your answer is 1 whole 3 upon 10. Now let's do the fourth part. 2 upon 3 multiply in bracket 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 4. According to BODMAS, firstly you will solve the bracket. Okay, 2 upon 3 multiply. You want to subtract these two fractions, so take the LCM of these denominators. LCM will be 8. So 4 2s are 8. Multiply this numerator also by 2 minus 8 1s are 8. So multiply by 1. This will remain as it is 3 upon 4. Now solve it. 2 upon 3 multiply 3 2s are 6 minus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 4. 2 upon 3 as it is, multiply 6 minus 1 is 5 upon 8. Now division sign will be replaced by multiplication, and now write its reciprocal. Its reciprocal is 4 upon 3. This numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 2. So cut them. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again this 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Okay. Now in numerator you have 5 1s are 5 and in denominator you have 3 3s are 9. This is your answer. Now let's do the next part. Fifth part. 4 upon 5 of 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3 divided by, change this mixed fraction into the improper. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3. According to BODMAS, 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 firstly you will solve the bracket. So solve it. 4 upon 5 will remain same. 4 upon 5 of, denominators are different. So take the LCM of these denominators. It will be 9. 4 plus 3 3s are 9. So multiply this numerator also by 3. Divided by 8 upon 3. Now solve it. 4 upon 5 of 4 plus 3 2s are 6 upon 9 divided by 8 upon 3. 4 upon 5 of 4 plus 6 is 10 upon 9 divided by 8 upon 3. Now after bracket, in the preceding order of BODMAS, what comes off? So we will solve it. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So it becomes 4 2s are 8 upon 9 1s are 9 divided by 8 upon 3. Write the first fraction same, replace the division sign with the multiplication, and write the reciprocal of the next fraction, which is 3 upon 8. This numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 8. So cut them. 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what you are getting now, in numerator 1 1s are 1 and in denominator 3 multiply 1 is 3. So your answer is 1 upon 3. Now let's practice with some more parts. Solve this one. 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Change the mixed fraction into the improper. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply 7 upon 8 divided by 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4. According to BODMAS, solve the bracket first. Remaining part will remain same. 2 multiply 5 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3. Now this fraction will written as same, 7 upon 8. Write the replace the sign, division sign, by the multiplication and write its reciprocal, 4 upon 5. Now this part and these fractions are in multiplication, and according to BODMAS, after division what do we solve? We solve multiplication. So check whether the numerator or denominator are divisible by any same number. Yes, this. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Now write here 3 upon 4 plus 5 1s are 5 upon 2 2s are 4 minus 7 1s are 7 upon 5 3s are 15. So you will take the LCM of these denominators. LCM will be 60. To make this 460, with which number you will multiply it? You will multiply it by 15. So multiply this numerator also by 15 plus again 4 15s are 60. So multiply this 5 by 15 minus 15 4s are 60. So multiply this numerator by 4. 15 3s are 45. 15 5s are 75. Minus 4 7s are 28 upon 60. Firstly add 45 and 75. 5 plus 5 10. 8 or 4 12. 120 minus 28 is 2 and then 9. This is 92. When you will calculate this part, you will get 92 divided by 60. This numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 4, so cut them. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So this is 23 upon 15. And this is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator, so this can be written as mixed fraction. 15 ones are 15. Subtract 8. Okay. Denominator will remain same 15. This will be written as whole number and this will be written as numerator. So your answer is 1 whole 8 upon 15. Now let's practice with one more part. This is 9th part. Okay. Firstly, change this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 108 divided by 36 of 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5 multiply 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15 upon 4. According to BODMAS, firstly we will solve this part because there is off. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. In BODMAS, first we solve the bracket is not there in this question, then off we have calculated, then division. Now we will calculate division part. So this is 108 divided by 12 plus 2 upon 5 multiplied by 15 upon 4. Solve this part. When you will divide 108 by 12, what do you get? 12 9s are 108 now. Okay. Plus 2 upon 5 multiply 15 upon 4. After division, we solve BODMAS multiplication. So solve this part. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you are getting 9 plus 3 1s are 3 upon 2. Denominators are different. You can put 1 here. Now LCM is 2. 1 और 2 का LCM 2 ही होगा. So to make this 1 2 with which number you will multiply it? You will multiply it by 2. So multiply this numerator also by 2 or you can directly multiply this number by this. अगर denominator में कुछ नहीं होता तो आप इसको directly multiply कर सकते हैं. Plus 3. Now solve it. 9 2s are 18 plus 3 upon 2. 18 plus 3 is 21 upon 2. Numerator is greater than denominator, so change it into the mixed fraction. 2 10s are 20 and 1. This can be written as 2 will remain same. This is the whole number and this will be the numerator. So your answer is 10 whole 1 upon 2. So students, now with this question your exercise 2B is completed. Practice as much as possible. In further classes, we will do the further exercises. Thank you. Have a good day.